Okay, so inote na natin yung ano ko, week review, 'no. How was this week? This might not be accurate kasi nire-record ko 'to nitong Sabado pero kasi magulo, eh. Um, Again, one day ahead ako, hindi ko yun na-take into account, 'no. So, late ako nag-record, eh. So, lumalabas nag-record ako August 4, which is ang August 4 sa'kin is Tuesday. So, hindi siya accurate. Again, one day ahead ako. So, yun ang tricky part, 'no. Anyway, so even though hindi accurate, let's finish the week anyways. Again, we need to be one day ahead, no? Okay. So based sa week performance ko, um, okay naman. I have total ng 54 and a half work hours, no? Or around 57. Again, di pa tapos yung araw ko. I think I can make it up to 57.5 hours. Total work hours, no? So, kasi ito yung work hours ko so far. Monday, 7 hours. Tuesday, 4 hours. Wednesday, 14.5 hours. Thursday, 9. Friday, 7. Saturday, 7. Ngayong Sunday, I'm projecting 9 hours. I'll work for 9 hours. Hindi pa katapos eh. Okay. So, yun ang performance ko so far. And, hindi perfect tong week na to, which is no week is going to be perfect, okay? So binabasa ko kasing feedback dito, eh. So, pero may improvement naman daw. Again, I can feel the difference, 'no? Simula nung nag-record ako dito, I can feel the difference nung, I've been trying to, in a way adjust my addiction, 'no? Be more aware. And, again, this morning, even like this morning, it's supposed to be a bad morning, pero sabi ko, "Hindi, sige, try muna natin na gawing good morning 'to. Tsaka na ako mag-bad habits, 'di ba? Tsaka na ako mag-addiction." So, so yun yung nangyari. So, okay naman. Looking at this right now, hindi ako gano'n kadami pagdating sa output-wise, eh. Kasi ang nagawa ko dito is podcast. Medyo marami naman kung tutuusin, pero hindi ako satisfied, 'no. It could have been better. So, may podcast, 'no, tapos yung listing video na napakatagal natapos ko din. Ta's, hindi pa ako tapos sa second listing video. So, pagdating sa SOP wise and systems, I would say going there, um, coaching. By the way, yung third client ko pala hindi natuloy. Matagal pa pala yung third client ko, so I need to work on it, 'no. So yun yung isa. Pero I mean, it's okay din kasi nakaka-overwhelm, eh. So ang skills na tini-train ko so far is execution, exactly. I need to be a better executioner, 'no. I've talked about this the past video, kaya rin ako ini-improve yung again, yung good morning tsaka yung again output wise kailangan marami yung output ko. Ako lang there's no one I can rely on but myself, 'di ba? So I need to improve my output and, yun morning control okay naman, bad morning. Ang issue ko hindi ko talaga nagagawa pa yung, EOD, sobrang hirap nun. Pero ngayon kasi ang focus ko is yung midday, eh, 'no. Nagfo-focus ako na gitna ng araw kailangan kasi maganda ang morning ko, productive. Ang pino-focusan ko is gitna ng araw kailangan kong makapag-work pa rin. Kasi usually sobrang hirap na ako mag-work 'pag gitna ng araw lalo 'pag nakakain na, nakakaantok, nakakatamad. 'Yun yung iniintindi ko, eh. So, I need to fix that or figure something out, 'no, when it comes to that. Tapos, workout, laptop, endurance. So, I'm doing this, exercise din pala wherein kapag, again, hindi ko na kaya yung isang bagay, ta-timer ako, 'no, to increase my endurance, 'no, stay. So yun yung currently na ginagawa ko ngayon. Ta's again, my biggest issue this week is ang engot ko, nakalimutan ko yung cut 1 na rule, 'no. Again, kailangan ko isulat yun, Cut 1, 'wag mag-isip, okey? Hindi natin kailangan mag-isip. What the hell? Hindi panahon ng isip, panahon ng, placing of clips, 'no. We just need to place clips, relax. So yun yung isa, 'no. Okay, phantom edit, okay din naman, we're doing it. I'm not sure if this week ko nagawa yung mga systems na 'to, pero if this week ko 'to nagawa, well, good for me. Finally, may system na ako, I forgot about it. Ito yung issue minsan, ang hirap tandaan ng mga bagay, ang daming nangyayari, 'no. Okay, ano ba ang growth ko this week talaga? So, ang growth ko this week is, hindi lang puro hours, Okay, eh, may natatapos sa tasks. Yeah. Dati kasi pala ito sinasabi rito, dati pa nag-drift ako, may urge ako or what, dire-diretso ako 'no, like ang lala. Well, meron akong ganito nung Tuesday, I think it's Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. Pero usually minsan 3 hours, 3 days, 4 days, ang lala, 'no? Sobrang lala talaga. So, minsan ang lala ko talaga sa gano'ng side 'no, okey naman tayo do'n, we're improving on that. Nararamdaman ko rin sa sarili ko, eh. Friction pa rin yung pag-return ko sa work, pero ayun, so hindi pa ako consistent, pero may ebidensya na kaya akong maging consistent. Yup, that's correct. Mas tumataas ang tiwala ko sa sarili ko. You know what? It should be good if nandito siya, nakikita natin siya parehas, eh. Let me put it right here. Okay. So, tignan natin yung nandito, yung notes natin dito. Para parehas natin siya nakikita. For the week review. Okay. Yan. Teka. Yan. Let's see. Nasaan na ako? Okay, so, okay, yung friction, kaya kong malag. Yung nangyari, kaya akong babalik. Totoo naman, mas kaya ko ng bumalik ngayon, eh, kahit papaano. Okay, yep. Okay, weakness. Yung EOD, yes, I'm aware of that. Hindi ko yan focus ngayon kasi ang observation ko kaya sobrang hirap akong gawin ito is as time goes on, pababa ng pababa yung tolerance natin sa situation, no? Papagod tayo na papagod. So, kapag EOD na, wala na tayong energy, no? Like, wala na talaga. It might be a good idea na i-advance ko to. Like, for example, sa midday, i-ready ko na, i-prepare ko na ang aking EOD, something like that. Para alam ko na yung gagawin ko bukas, kinabukasan. I don't know. We'll think about it. No, we will see. We will see. EOD is a working progress, no? Progress. Okay, late night calibration. Oo, kinakain yung next day, so ayoko na muna nun. So, yung kapag nagugutom ako, yep, I'm aware of that. Yes, I'm aware of that. Most important lessons this week, isang board morning, hindi ibig sabihin bad na yung week. Totoo naman to. Before, pag masama yung Monday ko, minsan dumadama yung iba, eh. Wednesday na ako babalik, which is good, no? Yeah, I'm aware of this. Better bad days matter more than rare perfect days. Napakaangas na ito, man. This is so interesting. Okay, tama to, This is good. Tama. Tama to. Ayoko ng perfect. I don't believe in perfection. Kahit gustong-gusto ng utak ko ng perfection. Okay, so cut 1. Again, isusulat ko to ngayon din para hindi ko na makalimutan, no? Kapag bumagal ako, reload. Tama. Okay, yung bagal ko, reload tayo, reload. Okay, tama to. Work capacity is not just kaya ko pa ba ngayon, kailangan din tignan yung cost sa next day. Tama naman to. SOD, editing update, at EOD, ang operation loop. Kailangan kompleto silang tatlo. Sorry, noted to. Pero wait lang talaga sa EOD, okay? Ang goal natin ay hindi heroic highs. Tama to, gets ko to, okay? Kailangan mas tumaas yung baseline. Okay, we're still in the process. Okay, good. This week, I moved from recovery and planning into real capacity testing. Tama naman, actually, tama. Ini-improve natin yung capacity natin. Hindi pa tapos ang work ko, hindi pa solve lahat ng habits ko, pero mas malinaw na ang bottlenecks ko at may proof na kaya kong bumalik. Okay, sige. Thank you. Okay. All good, all good. Thank you. Please note all of this. Okay, so ganun. Okay naman tayo, no? Okay. Good. Okay. So, yeah. This week, to be honest, medyo lutang ako. Medyo hindi ko na-absorb yung mga yun kasi nagre-record ako ng video. Parang ang hirap niyang i-absorb. Basta masasabi ko lang, teka, i-absorb ko lang, Okay, this week. Okay naman ang this week talaga. I would say, na-note ko naman siya ng tama, no? May mga natutunan ako, may output ako, mabagal pa rin. Pero I'm good, no? I'm existing, no? Subconscious ko is inaayos ko pagdating sa editing, no? Subconscious, wag kang makulit. Kulit ng utak ko. Okay? We're improving, no? Just count the wins, be thankful, tsaka dapat pala magdasal pa ako. So, magdadasal ako probably after nito. So, yun, yeah, the fact na morning habits is working, no? It's good. Yun ang masabi ko. I haven't been this let's be honest, I haven't been this consistent, or I haven't been doing my morning habits as consistent as today, no? So this is a good sign in my opinion. Yun lang naman. So first week of August, let's see you in second week. Ano kaya, kamusta kayang ganap, no? Re-record ko to kung may nagbago ba. Tatandaan ko tong first week na to, okay? Tandaan natin. First week, podcast, medyo mabagal. Yung cut one ko, hindi ko nagagawa ng tama. Ginagandaan ko pa rin. Maganda-ganda yung morning habits ko. Bumalik ako sa exercise in a way. Okay, so natatandaan ko siya. Tandaan mo, tandaan mo. Okay, good. See you next week.